Of course, it's me, Olivier, again. Hello, YouTube. I'm coming with another tutorial in Photoshop. And as you can see now, it is here. We can launch it now. Yeah, wait, I told you that my computer is not Apple. There's a heavy window, very old version. This is a PS or Photoshop CC 2017. You guys, if you want PS Photoshop CC, you can get to Adobe website wawa or www.adobe.com, and then you just visit you download the Crowd Creative, and then that's a small interface. It will show you all those products they have. Then you will be able to download the one you want. If you want After Effects, if you want Premiere Pro, if you want Audition, if you want Photoshop as well, or in there. It is a certain good package. And then if you done to download it, yeah, then you will be able to go on crack it, so that you can be with a full package which is complete, which is not through certain kind of illegal issues. You guys, if you do not have money, you can't keep quiet. So Adobe Z or that cracking software, they noticed that maybe some people haven't money, or sometimes people are students, so they are not professional user of those kind of things. Maybe they are trying to enjoy it, or they are trying to study once about those kind of things. Then they cannot pay a lot of money, like $500 for those applications. They rather go there and then download the trial after trial. They crack it. It work like original. That is a good idea. Okay. Then now we have launched our Photoshop. Beneath it is very slow, but eventually it can't open. Then this is an interface of PS or Photoshop. This is a file editing, image layer, type, selective, filter, 3D view, Windows help, everything. You know, I ever taught you about all these interface tools you are seeing here. And this is a color picker. This is selector. Today I have not come to show you this kind of things because I passed through it. And today also I didn't come here to show you how to download the CC or PS Crowd Creative. I came here to show you how to work with Photoshop. Then you have already opened it there. New document via file, new document, and then you go all the way down, you hit T, and then it is text. That's why you see there it is T. They didn't write any other things. Okay, maybe let me like 40 V. Yeah, this is my name, guys. Told you that I am Olivier. Then whenever you put anything in this paper or in this new document, it creates itself layer. There you can see it. It is there. That is a layer. Here, what's your document? That document of white color, it is your background. So if I do like this, I will click on the background. Then whatever change I'm going to make here, it is going to be applied just to the background, not to the text. Whenever you want to change or to apply any change on text, you need to click on the layer of text, like that way I did. Then maybe you will be able to add anything. For example, this is a triangle. Then this is it has a body shape. I don't even know how I see it, but now let me draw my tool here. You see this, baby? I've drawn something. Then click here. This is you can select it, pause, and then put it here. Then Shift T. Then you reduce a little bit. The way this way you make a good shape, you know, just like that. You see, and then hit twice. You guys, I'm sorry, you can hear someone in the background, a horrible voice. Someone is pulling a chair. I don't know, you know, though some people are not serious. Oh, we go. Now you double click so that you can get any other interface, but I told you before you will have to push to wait, because I'm not as quick as I am not quick, but on another hand I am, because this is the problem of PC, not mine. Me, I know what I'll do. Some kind of slow, but I believe it's going to open. And when it's open, I'm going to be working on this shape, as you can see here. Now I have there are three layers. There is the text layer, there is a shape layer, and the background layer. See? Background layer. It is not responding, by the way. Let me resize a little bit so that it kind of looks some kind of well organized. Maybe I put it here. The problem is in the layers window. If you guys you are not seeing certain maybe presets or tools, you can pass via Windows, and then you come to layers, or the other option or alternative, you can press F7. It will automatically come. As you can see, it's come back. So whenever you mess around with anything like that, don't be shy. Okay, before you go on, so long as you have typed, maybe there is something like selected area to your shape, it's mean you need to press enter, and then you double click on your layer or the layer of shape, and then you apply certain effect like bevel, and then there down, as you can see here, there is a bevel, there is the contour, there is the texture, there is the stroke, there is the inner shadow, there is the inner glow, there is setting, there is the color overlay, there is the gradient overlay, there is the pattern overlay, there is the outer glow, there is the drop shadow. But this time around we are dealing with the bevel inverse. As you can see now, I've clicked on bevel inverse, but before I hit OK, nothing can be applied to our shape. First, I must hit OK so that every change I've made can be applied directly to our shape. Like this, you can see now it is a certain kind of object which is somehow very good. Now let's hit, maybe we change something also on text, as I told you. You can repeat? No. You double click on the layer, and then it can bevel inverse, and then maybe let me put something that kind of color overlay, or no, gradient overlay, like this. It is here. Then you come here, gradient. There are several or many gradient. You hit one, and then after clicking one, and maybe you change it, and there is a reflection, or the way to reflect. There is the angle, there is the linear, there is the radial, there is the diamond or reflected. And then I would suggest you use radial, like that way. Yes. Okay. Olivier. Some kind of not quite clear. Okay, Calvary. Here is now okay. Then okay, Olivia. Now you can see that it is quite clear. You guys, now what I can do now is just come here down, disable. If I want a certain PNG picture, I come just here down, I hit that I, whenever you click on it, it come, and then it's put the white color on that background. Whatever you hit on it, the eye will disappear and that white color will immediately disappear. That means that you are having PNG, or a picture without any background, or that is meaning, its meaning is that your picture, if it is PNG, it means that it is transparent. It can adapt to the color of whatever it goes. Then that's how it is. Okay, after everything, you can save it. File, save as, call it your damn name. Oh no, that is kind of bad English. Your good name. That's it. Nigerian, for example, Nigeria. Yeah, I got name. Nigeria. Yes. Then here you have to change the format of your file. Now it is the Photoshop PSD, some kind of weird dots and stars, PDD, yeah, not Shancom. And then you come here down, maybe you choose JPEG, or but if as long as it has a transparent area, you rather choose PNG, just like that. And then choose somewhere to save it, and then you save. Then immediately it brings this very small table, compression and fast, smart, raw. You choose whatever you need, and then okay. Absolutely, it is there. Okay, minimize, for example, one just go immediately to Nigeria. You can see it. Okay, I'm not interested in that. Maybe let me right click, set as desktop background, Olivier, immediately there. Thank you for watching. Now this, as well as I'm saying goodbye to you guys. Subscribe if you have enjoyed this tutorial, and see you later, or see you next year, or see you in heaven, because I'm not even sure that tomorrow I will be around, or tomorrow I will be still in this horrible life. But in God we trust. Thank you, and have a nice moment.